Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to insert the image and PDF file. Very easy way of inserting. Why we insert the image file and PDF file? If your drawing is converted PDF form, so you want to file is inserted AutoCAD and create the new file. So very easy way of PDF inserting and image file inserting and direct paste. It's importance for PDF work. So PDF how to insert the image file in AutoCAD. It's the best process. So let's start. First of all, go to insert here and look at this here, insert an attachment. If you click the attachment, when I go to click the attachment and select the image here, select the image and open. This is ask where is it, and then it is asked from when you are a checkout here, checkout and also check in. Then this position is showing diagram is 0 axis around create. If you put down the value, they are not the 0 axis in our image insert. So always be I want 0 axis, and they are asking specify on screen. So you want I want specify screen, so I select here, then OK. When I have go to again and select also and OK. This is asking which place you want to project insert our image. So I want look at this here. First of all, this point and how much distance I want go to increase. So easily increase the distance here. Look at this. Like if I want the project, insert the project our image, very easy way in AutoCAD background. If I want to select PDF form in AutoCAD insert, so this is goes here here look at this PDF file. When I want to go to insert this any image, so very easy for image insert the here AutoCAD background. So look at this here. When I insert the PDF right now, this is insert from easy way. You look at this all our diagram has been inserted from our AutoCAD background. So when you anyway and anyhow AutoCAD file inserting in any PDF and any image type of file, and then after continue do the work in AutoCAD. Look at this here. If I want to right now stretch and any line, any command, so easy way of stretching for the point here. So when I go to clicking this area and apply the point, so when you click this continuation, if you start the diagram here, continue to create the diagram easy way. So this is stretch from AutoCAD in easy selection, any create the drawing. When I go to spline, so here the spline, when spline has been selected right now, and again I will start the spline here. Curvature form, it can be converted to spline here. Look at this. Do you click in select this spline form? So I want the type of spline. I make this position continuation. So when I go easy way to create the diagram here, so this type of stretching process of AutoCAD. If I want to another side to stretch easy way, so again I will go to stretch from easy in AutoCAD. So this is very useful for stretching work in AutoCAD. Look at this. So it is called stretching process in AutoCAD form, and very easy to draw in AutoCAD when I want to down direction in sketch. So easy way. So look at this here. This PDF form has been inserting and also inserting for image file. So it is called the different types of inserting process in AutoCAD. If there everything is inserted, and clip inserted, adjustment, so import directly PDF import. So this is the insert process in AutoCAD. When I again insert attach for image in another, when I go to direct copy and paste in, when I copy and direct Control V, so look at this, whatever I am copy here and directly inserting and projected from here. So two types of process in AutoCAD insert process, right? How to do that, again I will show you. First of all, you copy. Look, I will show you. This is this is a this is our image right now. I have go to copy this file, and when I go to copy this file and directly paste in AutoCAD, so when I go to paste Control V, so look at this, come from image form. This look at here, this is our AutoCAD format is coming. So it is work from Control C and Control V. So thank you for watching.